In this video, we're going over how to unlock your Samsung Galaxy A10e so you can use it with any carrier. Hey everyone, thank you for joining us today. If you want to stay up to date on all the technology that's coming out and learn cool tips, tricks, and hidden features, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and tap the bell next to it to turn on post notifications so you can be alerted every time we post new videos. We're going to show you how to unlock your A10e, and the first step is going to be this. You're going to go to the phone app, go to, make sure you're on the dialer, and type in *##06#. That's going to show us our IMEI. The second step, well, first thing is make sure you write down this number here because you will need this for the next step. We're going to go home, go to Google Chrome, and we're going to go to the website, theunlockingcompany.com. Okay. And from here, we're just going to follow the prompts. So first, we're going to select the manufacturer, which is Samsung. And then the model is going to be the Galaxy A10e. Alright, there we go. You're going to tap on Unlock Now. Once we're on this screen, we're going to swipe down and fill out a few more prompts. So select the country you purchased the phone in and the carrier. Click Next. And on this last screen here, you will need to input the IMEI that we got in the first step of the video. So let's go ahead and put that number in now. Put in your first name and last name. And you're going to put your phone number in. They used to ask for email, but I believe now they just, oh, excuse me. That was my mistake. First and last name up top, and then email address. Okay, once we input that information, hold off on hitting order now. You're going to want to swipe down here. And there's just a couple of disclaimers that are important to read here. So this unlock is basically going to make the phone open to use with any carrier, any GSM carrier. So it shows you a list of all the GSM carriers: AT&T, Metro PCS, T-Mobile, Cricket, Consumer Cellular, and there's obviously more domestically and internationally. And specifically, the carriers that it won't work on, even if it's unlocked, are going to be what are called CDMA, which is a different type of network. CDMA network carriers: Verizon, Sprint, Boost Mobile, C Spire, and several others. So if you don't see your carrier on this list, what I would tell you to do is to just Google that carrier and type in "bring your own device compatibility," and it tells you that same thing right here: bring your own phone compatibility link. And basically, you can check that link to see if that phone will work on that network. You do want to check that first because in some cases, again, if you're unlocking it to go to Sprint, in most cases it may not work with Sprint. So you just want to make sure that the carrier you're trying to use it with is a GSM carrier, and you should be fine. You'll find the price here. The normal price, they always give you a discount, so this is what you're going to pay. Average turnaround time, but it tends to be, again, closer to the first number, not the second. And that's it. To proceed, click order now. You check out and pay, and wait till you get an email or text message from the unlocking company with your unlocking PIN and also the final install instructions, which are very important because the process to unlock your phone constantly changes. So that message will give you the final steps, and obviously here is the phone number as well. So if you have any issues, you can call them and connect to their support, and they can walk you through finishing the unlock from there. The next step is we're going to go back to home. We're going to hold power and we're going to turn the phone off. And once the phone powers down, we're going to use the little SIM tool you find in the box of the phone. If you can't find that, find a paper clip, and you're going to want to open the SIM tray, which is in the upper left side of the phone. From here, we're going to take out our Metro PCS SIM card and put in our Cricket SIM card. In your case, just put in the SIM card of the carrier you're trying to use, and then you'll hold power and restart the phone. And at this point, you'll want to refer to the instructions you receive either by text or email from the unlocking company with the final steps again on how to finish the unlock. So that will take you to the last couple of steps. And after that, your phone will be unlocked and you'll be able to use it with any carrier. Hope you guys did find this helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share the video if it was helpful. I will drop a link in the description below to the website if you need to go to it for reference. Leave us a comment down below and let us know if the video was helpful. Thanks again for watching. Take care and have a good one.